Hey everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports. This 2018 Harley-Davidson Tri-Glide Ultra Classic with 9,058 miles passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It comes equipped with cruise control, navigation, and a multifunction 4-speaker audio system. It's been upgraded with Reinhardt 4-inch slip-on mufflers, an open stage 1 intake, 12-inch handlebars, and a luggage rack. The Tri-Glide offers the same power and long-distance comfort as its Electra Glide siblings, but on the stability of 3 wheels. Powered by a 107 cubic inch V-twin motor, the Tri-Glide puts 114 foot-pounds of low-end torque through a 6-speed transmission. It has a 27.1-inch seat height and a dry weight of 1,204 pounds. To see everything we know about this vehicle, including full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports, the service repair order, high-resolution photos, and more, please visit the listing on our website. We have also purchased a CycleCheck's Vehicle History Report. You can view this report by clicking the link on the right side of the video.